Alright, so we have our assembly totally done here. This is the assembly file right now. We're going to go ahead and make a presentation, and we're going to make an exploded view. An exploded view is kind of like an IKEA instructions, where it tells you where, say, a screw would be inserted into, how everything kind of gets put together. So I'm going to go at the bottom where it says presentation right here. I'm going to say standard and say create. In here, you'll find something that says create view. Click on that. You need to open your file here. You want to find your assembly and then say open. Notice the file name, initials underscore puzzle underscore assembly. Alright, say open. And you could say okay. I'm going to click my home button, and I'm going to go ahead, file, save as. I'm not going to save it as assembly, I'm going to save it as explode. Save. Say okay. Okay. Alright, so in the assembly, we want to tweak components and kind of drag them out. I always keep it in my isometric view. Okay, I never will actually rotate at all at this point. Or if I do, I'm always going to go back to my home so I know what it'll look like. The reason being is when we put it into a working drawing, we need it to look like the way that we see it here. Alright, if you have it at a different view, it'll be different when you're looking at the working drawing. Alright, so I go to tweak component. I'm clicking on the direction that I want it to go, and then I can say enter. That's what I want. And then I can just click T for tweak component, and I can move my next part. Click it, drag it out, enter. Alright, I can click T for tweak component, click it. Now here, I actually want to go the opposite of this direction, but I want to select this. So I'm going to click that arrow so it's highlighted in yellow, and then I can drag it upwards and then click enter, T. Click on this part. I'm going to drag this one that direction. I'm going to drag it out that way, and I can click enter. Notice I never really rotate at all. This is what it's going to look like when I'm putting it into my working drawing. Alright, save up, and you have made an exploded view. You can even go ahead, if you want to take a look at the video, you can click animate, and you can just press play, and you can see how it all gets assembled. Pretty cool. Woo! Alright, so that's it. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to create the working drawing.